Welcome to this episode of In the Landscape with host, landscape design and care expert, Charles King Sadler.
Fruit trees, to efficiently produce fruit, need to be pruned such that they develop scaffolds, which are relatively equally spaced branches that are at intervals of approximately 2 to 3 feet, develop a horizontal branch which becomes wide with foliage such that there's air circulation and light availability between the branches. This semi-mature cherry tree has been developed with a central trunk or central leader system. Branches have been headed back or pruned back to retain foliage and fruit within reach. Some of the interior branches have been thinned such that it's a compact fruit-producing form. The pear tree tends to grow in an upright form. So, a single trunk, as you can see, is the way to train it. It grows very quickly. See, all the shoots requires a fair amount of annual pruning to ensure there's fruit within reach.
Different fruits grow at different rates and in different shapes. Visit kinggardendesigns.com for additional graphics and detailed timings.
Apple trees fruit on spurs, a fruit spur. Vegetative growth continues beyond the spur. That can be pruned back. The spur will bear fruit for about 10 years. So when pruning, be very careful not to remove the spur, which tends to be a swollen joint or a tip.
Humans aren't the only fruit eaters. Clever use of simple, inexpensive items can protect fruit from animals climbing from below or above.
We're here with a juvenile cherry tree, which is just developing. There's protection on the bottom, protecting against animals eating the trunk. This tree will be developed traditionally into a central leader system, which means a single trunk in which scaffold branches, horizontal branches, will be developed to bear fruit.
For more detailed information on pruning fruit trees, especially for species not featured in this video, visit kinggardendesigns.com and look up our pruning pages.